Feeling low on energy? Let's change that in just 20 minutes with a quick at-home workout. No fancy equipment needed, just your body and a little determination. First up, we're diving into some jumping jacks. This classic move gets your heart pumping and blood flowing. Aim for 30 seconds. Feel that energy building? Great. Now let's transition into high knees. Drive those knees up to your chest, keeping your core tight. This will not only boost your heart rate, but also engage your abs. Keep it going for another 30 seconds. Next, we'll hit the ground for some push-ups. If you need to modify, drop to your knees. Focus on your form, keeping your body in a straight line. Let's do 10 to 15 reps. Feel your chest and arms working? That's the energy surge we're after. Now, let's switch it up with some squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body as if sitting back into a chair. Keep your weight in your heels and push through to stand back up. Let's aim for 15 reps. You should feel your legs and glutes firing up. After that, we'll move into a plank. Get into position and hold for 30 seconds. This is fantastic for your core strength and stability. Remember to breathe through it. Now, let's finish strong with some mountain climbers. Get back into that plank position and drive your knees towards your chest, alternating quickly. Go for 30 seconds. You're almost there. Take a moment to catch your breath. Feel that rush of energy? That's the endorphins kicking in. This quick workout not only boosts your energy, but also lifts your mood. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Share it with friends who might need a quick energy boost too. And feel free to drop any comments below. Your feedback is always welcome. Keep moving and remember, just 20 minutes can make a huge difference.